As important as screen lock is for your phone, it can cause a ton of problems whenever you forget the PIN to unlock your device. Unfortunately, forgetting your PIN will result in you being unable to access your data, and you may never be able to use your device again. But you don't have to worry too much about this issue because there are proven ways to unlock your Android phone without a password even in the event of forgetting your PIN. So let's dive into this video and learn how to unlock your Android phone without a PIN. Before we start unlocking, you must know that even through factory reset, you will still receive a notification on your device saying your phone has been factory reset. Enter your PIN to unlock. So if you forget your PIN, you still have to follow the solution we show you next. You can take advantage of the Find My Device feature on it. This feature allows you to unlock your smartphone even if you have forgotten the password. To use Find My Device, you must remember the email address and password associated with your phone. Also, you will need a stable internet connection. Firstly, visit Google Find My Device website on another device. On the website, sign in with the primary Google account on your locked Android phone. If you have multiple Android devices on your account, you should look at the top left corner of the screen and select the specific phone you want to erase. Then, you need to select Erase Device. Then, just tap on the Erase Device button. On your locked phone, follow the basic setup steps on your Android phone. Now, you can start using the device again. It is worth noting that you will have to verify the Google account details that you used previously on the device to complete the setup. So, if you do not have the Google account details, this method is not for you. The above methods require your Google account information to work perfectly on your Android device. So, what happens when you can't remember your Google account information? These methods won't work for you, but you can use DroidKit. This program is the easiest way for you to unlock your Android phone without using any password or 4-digit PIN, 6-digit PIN, custom PIN. It works perfectly on your device regardless of its make or model. The tool works fast and does not require any special skills to use. If you are ready to unlock your Android phone without a password, the first thing you should do is download DroidKit for Android on your Mac or Windows PC. Step 1. Select the Screen Unlocker mode after launching it. Step 2. Connect the phone to the computer, then click the Start button. Step 3. DroidKit will detect your device and start preparing the configuration file. After it's complete, hit the Remove Now button. Step 4. Now, choose your device brand, then put your device in a recovery mode and wipe cache partition. Step 5. When the process finishes, click on the Complete button. Now you can set your device as new one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.